Okay, now. So we're going to be welcoming our own TikTok people. TikTok people, they will be coming in right now, you know. We're waiting for them. We got a YouTube people. I hope the YouTube people are coming in little by little, you know, because when I'm calling on the YouTube people, I know many of you are in somewhere sleeping right now, but here on the YouTube, we want to discuss about this, your own Forex thing. This is your own thing that you came for. You came for it. Forex, right? You came for it. Then you got to share the video on the YouTube section, because we want to talk about the New Zealand USD. Okay, good. I know you guys on the YouTube, you know, some of you, your network is not okay. But if your network is not okay and you come in here, you know, it means you're gonna miss the information I'm gonna pass to you. If your network is not okay and you come in here to watch me, it means you're gonna miss a lot of things. But there is always time to come back and watch the replay. All right. Yeah. Good morning from TikTok. Nosy Boy 245, and you know, it's confidence 40. Yeah, good morning, my friend. So we stream on 2 channel now. Yeah, we stream on YouTube live and we stream on TikTok live. You know, we're gonna be extending the stream. The stream is gonna be extended to Facebook, Twitter, everywhere. Yeah, because we wanna blow like shit. Just turn all this social media to bag of what is that? A bag of money. You are dragging bag of money and moving, man. You dragging money and moving, man. You know, you see, we're gonna gym today. But you know what this channel is all about, man? This channel is all about you, your life, what is happening around you. You got to gym to look good, all right? And you got to do something. Think of how you will be looking good, continuously gorgeous, my friend. What is that? I said last week, money, the power of freedom. And I close. I said bye-bye. You see, come to this channel, come and learn something. Okay, there's a way I do start my videos. There's one way I always close. When I'm going to close, I drop you one point. Money, the power of freedom. You see, the people on my own YouTube channel are the one now, you know, they are enjoying this freedom, because that YouTube channel you are looking up, the link is up on this TikTok also. You see those people on YouTube? Oh, I don't think they always miss me at all, because I'm always on YouTube steady. Day, night. You know why? Being so long on YouTube, and the YouTube has been monetized for so long. You know, when I do little live on that YouTube, you know, the money goes so big so fast. You know, when I look at that money on the YouTube there, man, I feel happy. I feel relaxed that I got reward for the little things I did. You understand? I don't know how TikTok is, but you know, but I hope TikTok will get there one day, because YouTube also started like that. Yeah, YouTube started that way too, where we have to do a lot to get a cent or to get a penny. But now YouTube has gone too far, man. the little effort you put, man, you see money become so big because the advertisers there are ready to pay you. They are ready to pay you for what you do, you know? But I'm on TikTok now. I'm on TikTok. I'm on YouTube, both live. You know, my Facebook is getting waste because, man, I'm just here alone doing things. You know, I got the software to go live on all of this page, but man, I'm not ready to be setting things up, like setting up a software. You know, but I will set one up because I love to go live on all of them. None is going to be a waste. I took my YouTube to a point where, you know, I'm being, you know, monetized. I make money every day. Little things I do on YouTube, the money just skyrocket. And I'm seeing it. You know, even what I do here on TikTok, you know, I see, just looking at you guys alone, I'm just happy that at least on TikTok, you know, I see people, we communicate, we relate. That's cool for me. But when you now say on TikTok, oh yeah, go and do challenges, do battle, do this, do that. No, that's not my thing, my friend. I'm not good in all these things. I'm just good in sitting down and teaching you something. And then pay me for what I teach you. I'm good in that. I'm not good for going to go and do challenges. Do challenges before you make money. Come on, man. Come on, man. Eh? Anyway, I just planning the winter version of our own outfit. Still planning it. This outfit for our own gym is gonna change soon as the weather goes cold and cold. Eh? I'm inside the cold though. As the weather goes cold and cold, we'll be changing our own version of, you know, this cloth we wear. Except you will just see me that I've carried my bag and I've run back to Africa. That's the only time you will not see any kind of winter, you know, winter cloth. Come. You guys on YouTube, just wait. I will give you your own Panadol. I know what you people need. Just wait.